Come test drive the 2015 Escalade ESV. The Cadillac Escalade ESV is a longer version of the Escalade. The ESV is a large, luxurious SUV that delivers performance and style. Classy and powerful, it looks great for a night on the town or can haul everything needed for a weekend getaway. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, tires, rear performance, integrated turn signal mirrors, luggage rack, four-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.